Hello and thanks for checking out ChartGuys.com. We're proud to be one of the most successful technical analysis communities online, teaching you the skills to become a more confident, effective, and informed trader. Join our community of hundreds of analysts worldwide working together to learn the charts, generate profit, and achieve financial independence. Sign up for a 1-week free trial, no credit card required, for access to daily live chart analysis and market coverage, a thriving chat community, along with dozens of hours of exclusive educational materials. We look forward to seeing you. Let's check out some charts. Checking in on SPY IWM and the Qs. So we're getting very, very tight here. Low volume on SPY, inside bar on the daily time frame. A break of 246.64 is bearish tomorrow, and a break of 247.34 is bullish. We are still trading within the range of Thursday, 5 days in a row within that range. So 1 day of high volatility and high range, and then just shrinking ranges and trying to find a direction within that range. So if we see a bull break of the inside bar, we're looking back at the all-time high. If we see a bear break, we're looking at the low of Thursday. Any individual name that has been trading within the range of Thursday the last 5 days, obviously that's the range that is key in the short term, and we should be watching. So that low of SPY is 245.68, and of course the all-time high is 248 on the dot. The weekly time frame is a bearish reversal doji that is not being confirmed. The bulls are maintaining control, staying above the exponential supports, and staying strong. No sign of weakness in SPY unless we lose the low of Thursday. IWM, you can see, broke that low of Thursday right away. That was a clue to the weakness. The next day on Friday, we already broke the low, and we pointed it out in this video, and ever since then, it's been lower highs and lower lows. So just continuing weakness, breaking the correlation, which was strong between IWM and SPY, and very clearly being the lead bear out of all of these markets, with now seeing this kind of pullback over the past 2 weeks. So we're trying to find a support here, trying to find a level to bounce off of, and at this point, it's 138.83 and 138.41. The low today was 139.16, so we're approaching these levels, but the bulls have to see a bullish reversal candlestick to indicate that our low has been found and the bulls are ready to show back up. So we're on the verge of losing exponential support for the first time in months. We're confirming the bearish reversal candlestick, and this is the kind of move where if this was occurring in SPY, I would say, okay, we're likely in for some further consolidation now, because on any bounce, we will anticipate a lower high to form and then potentially come back down for a lower low. So IWM is clearly the lead bear out of the three. We still have QQQ trading within the range of Thursday, tightening up. Inside bar on low volume today as well. A break of 144.17 is bullish. A break of 143.13 is bearish. And we'll see which direction we break. I would be watching just that range of Thursday. Again, any individual name trading within that range, that is what we should be watching. It's the all-time high and support of 142.30. If we break 142.30, we know another leg of downside consolidation is very likely coming. QQQ is not confirming the bearish reversal doji, although it is closer to doing so than SPY is. If we see a bear break of that inside bar tomorrow, we would have to break the low of Thursday to really confirm this candlestick and see a lower high and a lower low. So as of this point, the bulls are in a fairly comfortable position with regards to not confirming that bearish reversal doji, but it's something to be keeping an eye on because the tech sector overall has not consolidated. It looks just like this, where we have not consolidated in all of July, although now we're seeing the sideways consolidation, and that might be sufficient for the bulls. Normally, we associate some downward action with consolidation, but it can certainly occur in a healthy manner sideways, keeping the bulls in full control, and that may be what is occurring. All depends on the first signal will be how we break from the inside bar on both SPY and QQQ tomorrow to dictate momentum heading into next week. So I appreciate you watching. Oh, one more note. We had a little dump at the end of the day on SPY again, and it's really just the U.S.-Russia news. Whenever the politics of U.S. and Russia news come out, we see a quick flush to the downside. We see the bulls buy the dip really quickly. That's the pattern that has been playing out for 6 months at this point, and we need to keep sticking with that pattern until it changes. And of course, when it changes, there's going to be a loss that one time where, you buy the news on Russia dip and it doesn't bounce significantly. So you keep control of that trade and take the loss and then know from there on out things are changing a bit. But this is now the 6th or 7th time where we've seen Russia-related news dump and then quickly bounce in the market. So I appreciate you watching. I'm going to be away tomorrow through Tuesday going to Mexico, so I will not be putting out daily videos until back to the normal routine on Wednesday. So I will see everybody then.